In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install a new font on your computer and get it up and running in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're customizing a new document or giving an old one a little facelift, this walkthrough will guide you through everything you need to know. First things first, you need to start by downloading your desired font file. Font files typically come with a .ttf or .otf extension, so keep an eye out for those types when you're downloading. Once you've got that font file ready and waiting on your computer, it's time to move on to the installation process. If you're using a Windows computer, installing the font is as simple as can be. Just right-click on the font file and you'll see an option to install. Give that a click and your computer will do the rest, setting up the font for you in no time. Now, for those using a Mac, the process is just as straightforward. Double-click on the font file, which will launch the Font Book application. Within this program, you'll see an Install Font option. Click on it, and voila! The font is now on your Mac. Now that you've installed the font, the next crucial step is to restart Adobe Acrobat. This helps the software recognize and incorporate your new font. So, take a moment to close Adobe Acrobat completely and then reopen it. Trust me, this small step is vital to making sure everything works smoothly later on. Alright, you've restarted Acrobat and it's time to use your new font. Open up the PDF document you'd like to edit, or feel free to create a new one. Once your document is ready, look over to the right panel where you'll find the Edit PDF tool. Click on that tool to enter the edit mode. Select the text you wish to change. It could be a single word or a whole paragraph, whatever suits your needs. Here is where you'll notice the difference. Head over to the font drop-down menu and browse through the list. If everything has gone according to plan, you should now see your newly installed font right there among the options. Keep in mind that whether you see it depends on its compatibility with Adobe Acrobat, so don't fret if it doesn't show up immediately. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can spice up your Adobe Acrobat documents with fresh new fonts. Continue experimenting and enhancing your PDFs as you see fit. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.